Is there a man in women's boxing at the Olympics?
Angela Carini, she withdrew from the event.
Iman Khalif was okayed by Olympic authorities.
A boxing bout that was supposed to be 9 minutes was wrapped up in 46 seconds, and along with it came tears and a bombshell at the Paris Olympics. In the first round of the Olympics in women's 66 kg category, Algerian boxer Iman Khalif's opponent Angela Carini abandoned the bout just after 46 seconds. She suffered a suspected broken nose and said, "It is unfair." In a tweet, J.K. Rowling, the famous Harry Potter author, said, "Explain why you're okay with a man beating a woman in public for your entertainment. This isn't sport." Echoing the moral outrage that is there on social media, who denounced Iman as a biological man. The basis of this assumption was the visual evidence of how strong Khalif's punch was in those 46 seconds and a previous disqualification by IBA, the world boxing body, on grounds of a gender test of an undisclosed nature. Hours after the bout, the continued to spread on social media. Prime ministers and gender activists chipped in to condemn her. The IOC came out with a statement following the uproar, and I quote, "Iman complies with the competition's eligibility and entry regulations as well as all applicable medical regulations. As with the previous Olympic boxing competitions, the gender and age of the athletes are based on their passport." And it also said that Khalif is a victim of sudden and arbitrary decision by the IBA. The IBA is now at variance, said in a statement that Khalif had been disqualified from the 2023 World Championships after failing to meet the eligibility criteria for women's event, specifying that she did not undergo a testosterone examination but was subject to a separate and recognized test whereby the specifics remain confidential. There is one visible common thread between Khalif and other famous Olympians who have been put up to similar scrutiny. Kester Semenya, Duti Chand, Enid Negesa, they are all from Global South. Khalif, on the other hand, has never identified as a man or a transgender or as intersex. Now, the controversy has brought the spotlight on the place of those with the DSDs in the sporting arena. Differences of sexual development are a group of rare conditions involving genes, hormones, and reproductive organs. Some people with DSDs are raised as female but have XY sex chromosomes and blood testosterone level in the male range. In sports, people with DSDs should have a physical advantage, but multiple studies have concluded that it is impossible to quantify this advantage. In Olympic boxing, the IOC's rule on the inclusion of athletes with DSDs and gender diversity apply because of the IOC and IBA tussle, and recent guidelines from IOC stresses on the framework of inclusion. But this isn't over yet. Lin Yunting, the other boxer disqualified by IBA but allowed by IOC, is participating in the Summer Games. And Yunting, along with Iman Khalif, have to fight mighty challenges outside that ring, like a public trial on their gender, a question of identity for those who don't conform to gender binaries, and a world where they are not accepted.